Here we go, off to the train station. I hope you've all got your seatbelts on, because this could be a scary ride.
What you trying to say, bub?
Well, I'm not saying anything.
I'm a police train driver.
Yes, exactly.
Oh, right, okay.
And we all know about your driving skills. It's never too late to learn the correct way. Do you agree, guys?
Brendan can't say anything. I taught him to drive.
Yes, exactly.
Want me on your helmet? I'll grab it for you.
This is the local school.
This is the lower end of the street.
Yeah,
In more ways than one, because we don't live down here.
There's a park and they're playing soccer.
Football.
Just about the end of
They're playing football.
the season.
Football.
Football to you, soccer to me.
Oh. Gee whiz.
The man going for a daily run. Good on him,
It might not be daily.
No, it could be evening.
No, it could be just once a week.
afternoon.
Could be once a week.
It could be,
Yearly.
yeah.
We don't know how
And this is our local shops. This
Yeah.
is where the police meet every morning.
For their lovely latte. I must join them one morning.
And donut, of course.
Oh, I don't need the donut.
No, nor me.
What are you saying, Jeff?
I said nor me.
Oh,
I didn't-
okay. Are you sure now?
Yes, I'm 100%.
Are you sure?
I'm 100% positive. Here we go, we're heading towards the station now. Train track to our right. A bit of bush on the left.
Yeah. Don't think there's any kangaroos there.
No, not this morning. Luckily enough, there's no dead ones at the moment. So here we're coming up to the traffic lights. We're going to go straight on.
We hope so.
Yes, well, it's all good. I better stop for the cars in front, of course.
Better had.
This car's not supplied with any blue flashing lights or anything, so. And we're off. Coming up to Woolworths and the train station. Hopefully we'll be lucky and we'll get a spot out front. Failing that, we'll have to go around the back.
Oops, moved that a bit too fast. Must be feel seasick now.
Yeah,
It is a lovely day.
that's beautiful. Just hoping I haven't overdressed.
Well, it's better to overdress than underdress.
Ah, well.
Yeah, that could be a tad embarrassing, Joe.
Could be. Hold on, better watch out for the cop car. 300C going past.
Oh, God. And there's the train.
Yeah, we're going to miss it.
Oh, no.
I don't know whether it's going in the right direction anyway.
Oh, well, that's another story, isn't it, Joe?
It certainly is.
All right.
Are we going to be
We
lucky?
best say goodbye now, and we'll catch you later. Bye.
Here we go. For our friend Roy. There you are, Roy. There's an Australian double-decker train. You'd love it. Here we are. Schofield Station. Schofield's Coles. And we'll say bye for now. Right, and here we are. We're actually at the station now. I've got the long walk up the stairs, so I won't embarrass myself, letting you hear me get out of breath by the time I'm up to the second stage. So TTFN. And here we are getting on the train. We're on the double-decker train. Ground floor, peasants. Upper floor, households. We're just moving around the seats. I don't know which way the train's going, so I need to be here so as I can
So we can
turn
just,
about.
So we can just put you over here.
we can put you in the corner.
Yes. Nobody puts baby in the corner.
Yeah, sure.
And definitely TTFN while I sort this light out. And we're off. Leaving Schofield Station now. With the happy campers on the train. as we've been told, it's only a short walk from Central down to Darling Harbour. It's one of Jan's round the corners. It's only round the corner. We shall find out. We'll get it on camera. Here we go. First
If you
stop.
have long legs, it's only short. If you've got
Yes.
short legs, it's a bit longer, isn't it?
Yeah, because with short legs it is longer, yes, you're right.
I've got long legs, so it's only short.
So we're now on our way through Quakers Hill and various other stops to Parramatta, where we have to get off and then catch the train into Sydney. Normally it's a straight through trip, but on this occasion we're having to change trains because of railway works. Okay, well, TTFN. Oh, and there we have, in the distance, over the trees, Redditch Watertown. Not quite, but no, I've lost it. But it is the other side of those trees.
Is it just round the corner, babe?
Yeah, or over the trees. Oh yeah, we could be coming into Quakers Hill. Oh yeah, see it is Quakers Hill actually. Nice area. Not.
Quakers Hill.
This isn't the good part of Quakers Hill. Jan's going to be doing a fair bit of editing on this, so there we are. It's going to be fairly busy today. Okay. This must be the back end of Quakers Hill. Just going to do bits and pieces as we go along. Just for you. See, Australia, it's always the best way to travel around Sydney is the train. I don't do buses, so as long as we do the train, that's all good. My director was giving me hand signals then. Not sure why, but I was getting director's directions then. So I think she wanted me to put the camera up a little bit. There we go.
I thought you fell asleep.
You thought I fell asleep? How dare you? Me sleep? I'm not too sure where we are at the moment. Oh, there we are. Merriong. We've been reliably informed, and as it says on the tin, TTFN. Where we're on the way to now, but as I said, ultimately it's Parramatta, but yeah, just giving you a view of suburban Sydney life from the train. It's not all like this, but there are some new houses there. Probably somewhere between $750 and $1 million each. Oh yes, and there's the lovely graffiti. Some of it is actually quite artistic. Breaks up the monotonous walls. But as you can see, nice new housing development. TTFN. More units. This is Pendle Hill. And it's 10:35 and 27 seconds.
This station, Pendle Hill.
Wentworthville.
Is that prison program?
No, this is Wentworthville, but I think there is a Wentworth.
Some real old shops there.
No, you can see how good the picture is. I've got to be careful because using my phone, I'll end up with no battery in my phone either, because the battery is down to about 80%. Yeah. Yeah, it certainly is on the tin. More units as we leave Wentworthville. I'm talking quietly because we're on the train, so I'm hoping it picks everything up. Should do.
You
Well-
don't talk quite often, do you, babe?
Not really, no, it's not my thing. Talking quiet. I like to be heard. Even if I have to repeat myself.
This train will stop
That's
at
another story.
Westmead.
It certainly is another story.
Oh, those are nice. What station are we at now?
We are at Westmead.
How do you know?
It says it on the tin.
This station is Westmead.
All the solar powered stuff nowadays, it's absolutely amazing. Going down. Oh, that's very interesting. It's gone all dark.
You turn the lights off.
We can look at the reflections. Oh. And we're out. Was that exciting? No.
Oh, yes.
Going up.
Looks like a big play area.
Oh, here we go. Look at that. Beautiful building there.
That's the cemetery.
No, I wasn't looking at the cemetery. It's the building in front, my love.
Look at the cemetery though.
It's the dead centre.
That's where they all hang out.
Yeah. Oh, look at that shopping centre. Westfield, it's calling me.
This train will stop at Parramatta.
This is Parramatta, where we are about to get off.
Oh, yes. I forgot.
And as you can see, we've got off as we need to go to Central, as it says there.
Are we not going to Liverpool?
No, we're not going to Liverpool. No more long-haired lovers for you.
I was just going to sing that.
Oh, was you? Well, you could have.
That's another day.
And that was the train we were on. Anybody else going to jump off? Got a bloke that's going to jump off. Okay. TTFN. Station pigeon. Walking up here.
The train on platform 3 goes to Central. First stop, Paris
This is
Park,
ours.
then
Coming in.
Granville, Clyde, Auburn, Lidcombe, Strathfield, Redfern and Central.
There's a bit of a film on the glass, so we're at Redfern. Haven't been able to film this after changing trains at Parramatta. We didn't have window seats, but we've had a shove around now, so still on our way into Central. And there's a nice view of brick wall. Alright, we're out to move.
It didn't save it, that's why it's all gone. Because I was doing the assessment, like the exact same, just different.
We're actually getting well into the city now.
I think, yeah. Well, actually, yeah, I was supposed to No, it's like, mate, it's just something that what did you get before you
Plenty of
tell me?
graffiti.
That's a lie. I didn't know her. The morning, alright?
And here we are at their destination, Central Station. Very beautiful buildings. We'll head out onto the Grand Concourse. Keep heading that way, bub. Well, whilst I'm going through the gate, I'll pause recording and see you in a bit. Here we are. Now we're on the Grand Concourse. Very, very beautiful old building. I don't remember coming here, bub. Do you? I don't remember coming into this bit.
Every day's a new day.
Yeah, you're not wrong there. No, I don't remember this bit at all. Perhaps we went out a different way, I don't know. But it said the light rail was this way, so we'll find our way around.
We'll find our way out.
Yeah. Well, there's a cafe, bub. Do you want a coffee in there?
I'd like to go outside first
Okay.
and see where we are.
It's a
Go
mystery.
Down in the wet, avoid long slips and trips.
Yeah. My goodness me. It is a huge station. Welcome to Sydney Central. Heading out into the light. Into the hustle and bustle.
We've just been asked if we want to go to Mark Warburton's
Ooh.
restaurant.
Who by?
And they're going to shout.
Oh, I like it already.
About that. We don't get an offer like that every day, do
No, we
you?
don't. That's very good. Here we go. I think we're heading across there by the look of it.
Oh, there's a steeple.
Yeah.
Oh, a police car too.
And loads of people.
Yes.
No. Not too sure where we are. I've not come out this way before. So I don't know where we're going. I haven't got a clue. We've got off at the last one. Well, I think we usually get off at the one before. I don't know, I'm just taking a... There we go. Yeah, I've done that one, bud. Yeah. Okay, well, I'm going to pause recording for a while till we find out where we are. I think we've come one station too far.
Because we lost again.
Yeah. TTFN for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe.